Today I'm on the road, heading somewhere quite far from the noise, driving towards Kolsay Lakes, a place where nature speaks without words. The sound of the engine slowly fades away, replaced by the wind, the river, and pure silence. Everything here feels alive. The flowing water, the green hills, the endless sky. Sometimes to feel life again, you just need to go far away and let nature remind you who you are. This is not just a route, it's a journey within.